up, everybody? Josh Campbell from MarineMax St. Pete. Today I'm excited to bring you aboard this 34 GLS by Cruisers Yachts. The GLS is a very luxurious day boat, but does have some overnight capabilities, so we'll come aboard here. As you enter, you'll notice we have this large swim platform back here. Portside, we have our boarding ladder, but really neat social zone back here with some rear-facing seats. This seat here will fold down, make a huge sun lounger. So just a great place for entertaining, watching the kids swim back there, or just taking a look at these beautiful 400 V10s by Mercury. Let's make our way into the cockpit. As you enter into the cockpit, we've got our summer kitchen with our sink, Kenyan smokeless and flameless grill, access to a trash can, and a huge refrigerator. Really neat area here. You could be cooking some burgers and dogs, have the sunshade deployed, and it just makes this one huge social zone. And I mentioned social zone because this is a great area here, laid out perfectly for entertaining. We've got a couple tables that go right here, big L-shaped bench seat, and then over here in your co-captain's chair, it's reversible to make a rear-facing seat, making this, as I mentioned, just a great place to kick it and entertain your guests. Let's go up to the helm. Here at the helm, we have a very sleek and uniquely laid out dash. You've got your dual SIMRAD displays, all of your Bocatech switching right here at your fingertips, as well as access to your throttles and Mercury joystick. We all know that the joystick is an amazing product that takes a lot of the stress out of docking and can move the boat really any direction that you want it to. As well as over here, we have our induction phone charger and some more cup holders. Let's make our way up to the bow. The bow of the 34 GLS is yet another great social zone. So as you can see, it's very high-sided, so I'm very safe sitting down in the boat for travel. But if we're up here relaxing, we've got access to our Rockford Fosgate stereo, so you can turn the music up if you want. There's a nice teak table that pops in right here. We've got a Yeti cooler there. So really just get up here and, put the table up, throw some charcuterie on it, and grab a couple drinks and just kick back and relax. Last but not least, when it's time to get out of the heat, if you want to grab some AC, grab some sleep, or just some more comfort, let's go ahead and check out the cabin. As you enter in port side, we've got another large fridge, and then in front of that, you've got your high-low table, which can be used for a dinner booth style seating, but with the table stowed and the cushions pushed back, you do have a forward bunk with a TV up there. And then starboard side, we've got a microwave and access to your panel. There is an aft berth right behind the stairs here, and then you've got your wet head, bringing a lot of those comforts of home onto your day boat. Thank you guys for coming aboard with me today on this beautiful Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. If you have any questions about this boat or any of the boats in the Cruisers lineup, contact me directly at 813-401-1968. Again, my name is Josh Campbell from MarineMax St. Pete, and I'll see you on the water.